changing the well, I changed a lot of things. I just did a whole changed all the solenoids, starter. The process that I have to fill up the transmission fluid. Nope, I'm not using Honda. That's because I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole 3 cycles. I'm not gonna spend that much. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it hates the ATF, it hates it. I'll go ahead and swap out the transmission. I don't care. This is just to see if in fact it was the solenoids. I cleaned the screens on the solenoids. Anyways, so the point is that when I was looking for the fill tube, I was looking for the bigger one in the back. Turns out that it's this one right here, but somebody said that something about can't remember what it's called. Something about being difficult putting back on. So you know what? I don't want to risk it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it through the fill tube or through the dipstick. And there's really no funnel that's gonna sit inside of the dipstick. So what I did was I got one of these. I forgot where I got it from. I don't know if it was Harbor Freight or Walmart, but it comes in 3. And I'm not using the small one. I think it's the medium-sized one. All I did was I used the heat gun, heat up the tip a little bit, and the tip went over the tube, so it's wrapping around the tube, went over it, and I pushed it all the way down until it fits snug. And now, let me see, let me open up this ATF. One-handed. Okay, here we go. And it pours in really easy. It's not dripping at the neck, at the bottom. Everything's good. It's going in pretty fast. So yeah, those that were trying to figure out how to fill up your 2002 Acura TL Type S that doesn't have that that worry-free option in the back of the transmission, here it is. Look, no leaking. And I'll let you guys know if changing all the solenoids and cleaning all the solenoids helped. Just so you guys know, the car was not engaging into any gear. It was only on first. That's the only gear it would go on. And then occasionally it didn't want to go into reverse. Here's the thing though. The person I got the car from, I don't have it on me right now, but they put some aftermarket solenoids on just about all of them. That one right there was a huge red flag. They didn't have the original solenoids so that I could clean them and try to see if I could work with them. So I got me some solenoids from the junkyard. And I like to pick the cars that are crashed because obviously it tells us that they were more than likely on the road when they got hit. So that means that they were more than likely running. So transmission must have been good. And so I put, can't remember the exact name on each one. These over here, and then the ones right underneath the transmission, those have been replaced. So hopefully we get movement, hopefully it works, and then we'll see from there. Alright, so if you guys are here because I just replaced all my solenoids, you guys want to see if there was any progress, any good results. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I just started the car, and I'll tell you the one thing that it's doing now that it wasn't doing before. Right now I'm going from park to reverse, and it's shifting just fine. It wasn't doing that before. And I'm going to drive, also just fine, shifting perfectly well. You could feel it. Before, the actuator or whatever it was, when I would go to reverse, you could hear it go. That's the best mimic noise I can make out of it. You could hear it trying to engage, and it would take a while. So now it's engaging just fine. So that's a good thing. See, so going back to park, it's good. Going to reverse. And I even believe that the lights weren't even indicating last time. I might be wrong. Oh yeah, that feels... So I'm just going down all the gears, trying to make sure everything's engaging well. Okay, do a couple more times. If I get 2-second gear, that's already a great thing, because I wasn't getting out of first gear. It was only first gear, and that was it. So the plan is to get into all the gears just fine. and then I'm going to do empty and refill again, but with yeah, I'm gonna do it 3 times, empty and refill. Here we go. We're moving on drive. Oh shoot, what did I hit? I hit something on the bottom, I think. Something's in my way. Okay, we're engaging again. Let's go. You're gonna hear a bad power steering. What the heck is that? I think I'm just running over things. Okay. Well, we're only on first gear right now. Dang, that power steering sounds bad. Probably gonna have to replace that pump. Okay, here we go. Come on, first. Nope. It did not engage. Dang, guys. I thought we had it. Thought we had it. I guess we're gonna have to drop the transmission. Something keeps snapping. Oh, I don't know what the heck that is. Maybe I should pull over and check. Alright guys, so good news. Good news was I forgot to connect the speed sensor on, and we just shifted from first to second. Check this out. Check this out. It shifts a little. There's a lag on from second to third, but we're on third. It wasn't doing that before. Check this out. We're about to go on fourth. There he goes. Fourth gear. Ha ha! So, replacing the solenoids did in fact work. There's something off with second gear, but it's still moving. Hopefully it gets better. The transmission probably has to relearn everything right now. I hope that it gets better. I hope that it gets better after the second and third transmission fluid change. But it's running. It's running. We're good. We were not able to get off of first. Now we're off of first. I haven't gone on the freeway. I don't have tags right now, so I'm kind of doing this riding dirty right now. Let's do this again. Oh, first to second. Here we go. There goes second. If I let off the gas a little bit, it shifts better. Yeah, buddy. Come on, let's get to fourth. Oh, it's probably not going off of fourth because I don't have it on D5. I wonder what happens if I do it manually. Let's go all the way to first. Here we go. Let's go for 1 gear, 2nd gear. There it goes. It shifts. Oh, it shifts normal when you shift it manually. 3rd. There it goes. 4th. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I haven't been recording that. Here it goes, 5th. I don't think that it goes to 5th yet because it's not a high gear enough, I'm assuming. Oh, there it is, 4th, 5th. Oh, yep, we're on 5th gear. Every gear's working. Ah!